Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sagrika and today I am here with another video. Now this video is not any kind of book related video or any motivational video, but today I am here with an unboxing video. Now it's in collaboration with SkinKraft. Actually I mailed them few days back and they were really happy to collaborate with me, which I am really blessed about. Now though I have received the products today, this is their cute little packaging. Let me tell you what SkinKraft is all about. So SkinKraft is a brand which basically customize your product according to your skin type. So if you have any kind of issue with your skin, if you have black spots or pigmentation on your skin or anything particular, then you can surely buy these products. They will send you customized products for your skin, because in market there are a lot of products, right? But they are not specifically designed for your skin type. They are designed keeping in mind all the people who would be using their products. But these products are specially designed for your skin, and I think that is the most beautiful and amazing thing that can happen. Now I will be showing you what I got in this box. So actually this is the box, and it comes with this cute little bag. So I'll be showing you what all it has in it. So this is what I got in this bag. So this is really cute. Actually it's really cute. Okay, so I have few things inside this. The first thing which I got inside this is I think it's kind of a manual. So first thing is this card. Now if you want to win a free sunscreen from them, then you have to follow a few steps, like you have to share a review of these products on SkinKraft website, Facebook, and I think Google, and then think in your next box if you will buy the next one. So yeah, the other thing that I got in this box is this. Now I think this is a user manual. Okay, yeah, this is a user manual, like how I have to use this product for morning routine and night routine. So I'll be reading it. By the way, they have sent me a mail as well, like how I have to use this product, and I have read it. So yeah, so these are the products now which are in this box. The first product that I have in this box is this beautiful bottle of face cleanser. It's like a face wash. So it's designed according to me and it feels so amazing. Like products getting designed for you, it's amazing, right? So this is their sweet and cute bottle of face cleanser. The next product that I have is this, and it is a anti-aging and antioxidant booster shot. Yeah, I got this as well. The next product that I got in this cute little bag is this Berry Repair Lotion Moisturizer. So they have given all the instructions, like how I have to use them and how I have to apply them and when I have to apply them. So I will be applying them on my skin, and will be reviewing all these products after the usage of 10 days. The only thing that I have to keep in mind is that I have to use them regularly. Only then I can see the results. So I'll be back after the next 10 days and I'll share my review with you all for how I like these products or not, whether I like them or not, and whether I'll buy them the next month or not. So I'll be back after the 10 days and I'll share my opinion with you all guys. Till then, bye bye.